your approach matters. Like sometimes I use the example of Rubik's cubes. 90% of us have fiddled around with a Rubik's cube. How many of us have figured out how to actually solve it? Big problem is we approach it wrong. You can solve it, Rachel? Many of us, will figure out how to solve one side, and we're like, cool, I can solve a color, and we get stuck there. And most of us want to solve it like one side at a time or one color at a time. But did you know if you wanted to solve a Rubik's cube, you actually have to solve it one layer at a time? That approach matters. It's impossible to solve it one color at a time. And if we approach language learning in the wrong way, it's going to be impossible to figure out how to get to the end and to become fluent. And so approach matters. And that's what, we really want to teach as far as, approaching language learning in the right way so you can be successful. So you can be that one person in the workshop that knows how to solve a Rubik's Cube.